Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anala Bead here. It's been a long while. So, for our first video, we're going to be making a beautiful beaded headband. Let's get straight to it. Okay, so for the materials for this tutorial, I have my big pearl beads of 12 mm. I have 4 mm pearl beads, and then I also have teardrop bead, a wire headband, and then a glue gun. You can use any glue that you prefer. Alright, so first of all, I'll go ahead and then plug the glue gun and get it ready. Then I'll pick up the headband like this, the wire headband. Then I'll go ahead and apply squeeze a little um squeeze a little of the glue on it. I'll press the glue gun on it like this. Then I'm going to insert it into the teardrop bead, as you can see me doing like this. Okay, so give it a few seconds and it will dry up on it. Okay, now I'll continue by picking the 4 mm pearl beads. I'm going to pick 13 of it. I'm going to pick 13 of it. Hey guys, so if this is the first time you're seeing this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video to encourage me to make more videos, because we are back for good. So like this video, leave a comment if you enjoy watching this tutorial, and please do share this tutorial. Alright, so we are done with picking of the 13 pearl beads, the small pearl beads. So that's me counting it to make sure it's 13. Alright, now after this I'm going to continue by picking the big pearl beads, or the 12 mm pearl beads. So I'm going to pick 8 of these. I'm going to pick 8 of these pearl beads. So here we are with picking of the big pearl beads. So there's 8 in number. Okay, so I just counted it to make sure it is accurate. So I'm going to go ahead by continuing to pick the 4 mm pearl beads. I'm going to pick 12 of them. I'm going to pick 12 of them. So as you can see, this is just a simple tutorial. This is very simple to do. All you gotta do is to get the materials for this tutorial. That's all. This is very simple. Give this video a thumbs up if you see this video as a very simple and detailed tutorial, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell as well, so anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Again, please do share this video. So here we have it. I just counted it to make sure it is 12. So as you can see, we are about to finish this up. So before I insert the teardrop to complete it, I just place it in to make sure it will go in. Okay, so before you do that, I'm going to apply the glue gun on it again before I insert the teardrop on it. Alright, so I just went ahead to plug the glue gun, then I'm going to apply it at the end of the wire band, as you can see me doing. Then I'll go ahead and then finish it up with a teardrop. So this is how I'm going to set it, like this. Make sure you push it a bit whilst holding the other side of the band firm. So this is simple. We're done with the tutorial. Give it a few seconds for it to dry up. Okay, so we have our band ready. This is simple to make. if you've been able to make this band, let me know in the comment section. All right, so stay tuned for more tutorials as we bring your way. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Keep being amazing wherever you are. Bye.